Welcome home. Exceptionally located within the desirable Castleton neighborhood, this lovingly maintained home is ready for you to call home. Move in quick to the warm and spacious living of this favorite floor plan, which includes formal living/dining areas, cozy kitchen, breakfast nook and den with fireplace, separate utility/laundry room, plentiful storage and 2-car attached garage. It's the entire package. Enjoy the fenced-in backyard with a pergola and water view, perfect for relaxing, entertaining and the best view of the air shows. It's a gorgeous hidden gem, move-in ready, clean and sparkling.